Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back. If you're returning, it's your girl Fiery Moon, and I'm here to do the general collective Virgo season reading. This is going to be for the air sign collective of Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. I did already shuffle and calibrate the cards. I'm going to be using the Wild Unknown Animal Spirit deck, the Life is Like a Board Game Tarot, and also the Wisdom of the Oracle for the guidance or advice. So we're going to jump right in. I'm just going to take a sip of my drink and we'll get started with the reading. Right now we do have Mars in Gemini, Mercury is in Libra, and Saturn is retrograde in Aquarius right now. But let's see what's going on. Ooh. I seen that Ace of Swords. It wanted to come out, so I'm just gonna leave it out, but whatever. So bottom of the deck we have the Unicorn and the Whale. And what this makes me feel like is I just heard being admired. Like either someone could be admiring you or you someone. I feel that off of this energy. The Whale is water energy. And the Unicorn is spirit. But then here's the air energy. We have the Crow. For some of you, I'm getting like the energy of like someone could be watching you in secret. Maybe more than one person. But it's almost like you're aware of it. This fox and this peacock could be other energy. As well, but with the Ace of Swords, which was on the bottom of the tarot deck, but I have been seeing it the whole time I was shuffling. There's either going to be some type of clarity, some type of exposure, something coming to the light. It's almost like I also feel like whoever this energy is, because I do feel like this is the same energy. This Whale and this Crow, it almost feels like the King of Swords, King of Cups energy. Oh my God, they just took it from me. Maybe I wasn't supposed to say it. Got completely snatched. I don't even know what that what that is. Because it does, I mean, it truly does feel like one energy to me. And, oh no, it's coming back, y'all. What I was going to say is like this person, it's almost like they're in the middle. This Crow and Whale energy. But some of them could also be like, their attention is in two different places. That's what I feel. If it's meant to come back out, it'll come back out. But if not, because now they're bringing me back to these cards again. Yeah, because it's like this person is emotionally trying to like has his attention towards a unicorn energy. You could be that unicorn energy, but then it feels like they also have to like watch this fox energy. So that's where their attention is at right now. Because I'm also getting like the energy of like they have to hide it. Like these emotions for this unicorn energy is hidden from this fox energy. So what's going on for the air signs of Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius for Virgo season 2022? It's too many. I'm gonna get less cards. Ooh, the golden egg. I like it. What other messages do we need? Then we have the fire ant. Can I get one more? Yeah. This is almost giving me the energy of like something, I almost feel like someone is losing their shit. Whether mentally, physically, or it feels like it could be physically and or emotionally. Or having like it almost feels like a rebirth. We have the bat and the fish at the bottom. This golden egg is almost making me feel like someone. It's like if they're saying, or at least I'm hearing, an incubation period. That's what I'm hearing. Incubation period. I don't know what that is right now, but it feels like something. Especially with this fire ant energy. Or a slim, I hate to even say this, for a slim few of you. If you're a female, able to bear children, there's like the only way I can explain it is like there is like I don't even know how to say this, like the process of like conception is taking place for some of you, and the result is going to be like it's going to actually turn into a baby. Some of you may be worried, some of you may know this, and you're in this fire and octopus energy. But for some of you, the way that I'm seeing this is like this is what's going on inside of you physically. I don't know. Only for a slim few of you I'm getting that. But other than that, it feels like is someone that is going through like a rebirth or will be, and this is almost like the incubation period, or this is what is to come. But then we have the Ace of Swords, the Queen of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. Ooh. this is a lot of super feminine energy. Because now we have two aces. We just got the Ace of Wands and the Star. I'm stopping at the Star because I can keep pulling off the bottom forever, but I don't want to make this too long. It almost feels like someone like is either seeing how they may need to separate themselves from an emotionally like charged and chaotic person. It could possibly be this Queen of Wands energy with that fire ant energy. Because with the Six of Cups and then the Queen of Pentacles, I'm not even feeling like this is two different energies. I'm feeling like this is how, like in the past, maybe this person showed up as the Queen of Pentacles. For some of you, but for others of you, I see like this is a pattern of this person, and they go back and forth between this Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles energy. Someone is finally seeing that within the person. And there's almost like a feeling of needing like isolation or time apart or away physically from this energy, because it is like this fire ant energy. This person possibly may need to do some healing. There could be like with the Ace of Wands and the Star. Because for some of you, you're like it's almost like you've been waiting for like your chance to either have a new beginning and heal from this situation with the Ace of Wands and the Star, and then the Seven of Cups to or you know the the Seven of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. Like your wish is to be like separate from this connection with the Three of Swords coming after that. I don't know what you've been waiting for. But let's see. What's the golden egg? Ooh, I don't even want to know what that is. But here we are. What messages do we need as it pertains? Clarify that. So what messages do we need as it pertains to the air sign collective? Of Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Oh, that's too many. Alright, bottom of the deck we have the Devil energy. Then we have out the Chariot, the Empress, and the Five of Cups. I clarified this golden egg, and we got the Eight of Wands and the King of Pentacles. For some of you, this is you wanting to, for some of you, you're either going to tell a King of Pentacles energy if you're in that slim scenario of possibly being pregnant. It's possibly by a King of Pentacles energy and you're going to tell them, but you're possibly scared of their reaction. I'm getting that, but for the majority of you all, this golden egg is the energy that you're going to go into. Like I said, I'm feeling like there's an incubation period. There could be a message with the Eight of Wands or some type of information, or it could even just be the energy that's going to push you into this golden egg energy. It almost feels like there's some hermit energy behind this golden egg, and we are in Virgo season. So it could just be the energy pushing you into this, you know, you may even notice that you may even start feeling like a King of Pentacles if you're, you know, an air sign, masculine. Male or female, doesn't matter. But you may be, you know, grounding yourself, trying to get more grounded if this is you. Because it seems like there's a lot going on around you. There's a lot going on around you. But with this Chariot, the Empress, and the Five of Cups, I feel like wherever someone's at, they're feeling stuck in whatever situation this may be. We have the Devil, the Three of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. They're feeling stuck. There's an Ace of Pentacles in between. But whatever this Devil energy is, it could be a family situation, a family dynamic, work, relationship, whatever the case may be. But it's almost like they this fire, let me see before I say this. Can I get one for the fire ant? Two. Can I get one for the fire ant? It's almost like this fire ant energy is almost like a hindrance from this masculine getting or going towards this Empress energy. Can I get one for the fire ant? Look, exactly. The Six of Swords. This is something that they have to get away from. It could be within their environment. For some of them, it definitely is a family work or, you know, dynamic that provides some type of security, shelter, safety, whatever the case may be. You get one for the octopus. Tell me about the octopus. It's too many. This person, like this energy right here, this octopus energy is very, very scattered right now. Tell me about the octopus. Where are we at? 19. Tell me about the octopus. We have the Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel like this octopus energy could be, you know, putting up a brave face. And I'm hearing Pharrell's Because I'm Happy, like that's how they're showing up. But this Five of Cups, even with this Seven of Cups, is saying the complete opposite. This person is emotionally all over the place with this energy. Yeah, in regards to like, I don't even know. It's like they don't even know. Because it's almost like they don't have a minute to like be still. I feel like they're just in constant motion. Tell me about this chariot energy. Tell me about this chariot. Why is the chariot here? Queen of Cups. Whoever this masculine energy, it almost makes me feel like in wanting to go towards this feminine energy, there's almost like there's a risk attached to it with the Five of Swords and then the Wheel of Fortune here, but it feels like this masculine is, you know, ready to like risk it all for whatever this may be. Maybe it's, you know, the honoring of their own feelings if this, you know, doesn't have anything to do with another person. But that's what it feels like to me, like can I get one more for the Chariot? They're ready to like elevate emotionally and physically. I feel that if this is not going towards another person, yeah, then we have the Page of Cups. And this could even be going forward and communicating these feelings. We do have, you know, Mercury in Libra, so that deals with partnerships. You know, it's the house of partnerships, relating, balance, justice, fairness, karma. Tell me about the Empress. Tell me about the Empress. We have the Six of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, because it's almost like this person knows that they've been almost like procrastinating and holding themselves back, or whatever situation this is. Whether it's their own, you know, elevation, yeah, they've been resisting taking action. The Seven of Wands, the King of Wands, and the Fool. And tell me about the Five of Cups. Whatever it is, they don't. Look, we got the Ten of Pentacles. Let me get one more before I say this. Can I get one more for the Five of Cups? Yeah, the Three of Wands. It's almost like they don't know, like, whatever situation this is, with the Ten of Pentacles and the Three of Wands, with this Five of Cups, there's about, like, this person, or whatever the energy is, it's like, this is almost tying into the earth sign reading that I just did. And it was basically saying the same thing. What you want is not, you know, for the the earth signs I got, it's not where you're at. It's not where you're at. It's where you want to be. And this is like the same, like it's just coming through a little bit different. It's coming through a little bit different. What, like, because then we have the tower here at the bottom. Which, as I'm recording this, the moon did just move into Scorpio. And this tower could be what is coming to push you out of this situation. Kind of this tower coming in and being the force with the Eight of Pentacles to push you into this Eight of Cups to, go where you're guided. With the Ace of Swords. Can I get one more for the Five of Cups? Now we have the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. For some of you, it's leaving a toxic situation. Because at the bottom of the deck, we have the Devil with the Magician. And it's almost like for some of you, this person, like I feel like if this Queen of Pentacles energy, it's almost like they've been, like in a way, working against you. Especially with this Devil and Magician energy combined, they've been working against you. They could have even been collaborating with others. And like I said, I felt that they, like the energy at the bottom of this deck was, when we initially started the reading, like you could be being watched by multiple people. But all of that is coming to an end with the Three of Swords. It's coming to an end. And for some of you, this Empress energy is showing up as also, like, for some of you, you're wanting to offer a commitment to a person because it showed up here. And you ending this situation, it's almost like you step into a whole new commitment with the Hierophant and the Sun with the Lovers. But you're going from the Devil to the Lovers. It's too many. One more. And it's clarifying this Queen of Pentacles, but it's still coming off as like a different energy than this other feminine energy out here. It's like this Queen of Pentacles energy, this Earth Pentacles energies is having like, it almost feels like there's some sort of expectation from this masculine, with the Knight of Cups. Like they're waiting for something that is almost like being spiritually blocked with the Seven of Wands and the Hierophant. But it's also to prevent this masculine from walking away with the Eight of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. let's see. Yep, look. This masculine is done. Or the never ending story. They're over it. Yeah, it's time to clean house. Yep. We got the never ending story. Chop wood and time for a nap. With truth be told at the bottom. Like I said, for some of you, there's something that's coming out. Or something that's being communicated. For some of you, it's a baby. For others of you, it's someone basically saying, like, sayonara. They're leaving. Yeah. And then we have the soulmates. Yep, look. In between worlds. Can I get one more for the guidance or advice? For the air signs. The thinker card. There you are, air signs. Oh my God, isn't Tupac, cause they're like, oh my God, he's a Gemini, right? And I really hope like nobody's doing this, please. But it just came to me. Brenda's got a baby, and as soon as I seen this card, I heard, he said didn't know what to throw away or what to keep, and it almost feels like this person is, look. As soon as I look. With the clean it up card, I truly, truly, truly hope that no one is on that. I mean, no, this is a judgment-free zone. It's your right to choose whatever you want to do, but yeah, because for some of you, this it's almost like if you're in that scenario, this child is your soulmate. Some of you may have even gotten like a message, and some of you are like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and step into this role as the Empress, even though whatever situation you're in right now may not be ideal. For others of you, this is someone who is possibly, I'm not even going to say possibly, because they're going through a tough time. They could possibly be reaching out to you. For some of you, it could possibly be an offer of love or an expression of emotions in some capacity. But for some of you, it's because it's almost like they don't know what to do now. For some of them, they wish to become single because they weren't happy in the situation, but now they don't know if, like, it's almost like, well, do I jump into something else immediately, or do I work on me a little bit with the clean it up and the mending? That's what it feels like. Can I get one more guidance or advice? I just heard, like, basically just get ready, because with this being the guidance or advice, the cards are saying, like, how can I say this? Because the regeneration is like, the transformation, death energy. And then here's that message in the bottle again. There could be some type of message coming through. I don't know what it is. But for some of you, in whatever situation it is, tell me about this regeneration, because, like, the only thing I can really advise, especially with the soulmates, is allow your soul to be your guide. Yeah. Because it's almost like, like, what's the worst that can happen? with this change coming in, because this regeneration is this bad energy. It's some that like I'm feeling like, what's the worst that can happen? Is that what someone is thinking about? But it's like with the Ace of Swords, again, you have the clarity. You know you don't want to be in the situation that you're in now. That's clear. It's clear, whatever the situation may be. So allow this cycle to end. Allow it to destruct. Allow it to completely end. The World, the Death card, and the Tower. You gotta allow this new something. This has to come through. Cause that's what it makes me feel like. Yeah, cause you're overthinking it. It's almost like you gotta allow nature to take its course. That's what it makes me feel like. That's the only way you're gonna get it. You're gonna have to allow nature to take its course. And just don't resist. Don't resist. But alright, air signs, that's your reading. As always, I thank you for tuning in with me. And look how we end on the star. That's what's up. But anyway, I definitely hope it resonated for some of you, but if not, that's okay. And I hope you guys all have a good Virgo season, and I will see y'all on the next reading. Alright? Later.